today I'm going to be unboxing a Sephora box, subscription box. Comes once a month and it's $10 and I'm gonna use everything in here. Here we go. And time to actually open it because I'm so excited. Ooh. So first thing I see is this. Some beauty products in here. So I'm just gonna open this. It comes in this little cute bag. So I'm just gonna pick random thing. And it is a soy face cleanser by Fresh. This is F2IC. I don't get it. Oh, it's like yellow. Ew, it's clear. Oh, that smells, ooh, it smells like cucumbers and watermelon. The next thing out of here I got, it's a Super Fan Smashbox Fanned Out Mascara. Ooh, look at that. That is nice. Next thing, I want to look. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a little container. It is a micro exfoliant. That's cool. I opened it and it's like popping out at me. The next thing I got is, I got a Bobbi Brown Long Wearing Cream Shadow Stick. It is so cute and tiny. I want you. It is golden pink long cream eyeshadow stick. Okay. It looks so pretty and shiny. That is its swatch. It is so shiny and golden and rose golden. So pretty. The next thing, I think the last thing maybe? No, there's another thing in here. Is a volume and thickening shampoo and a volume and thickening conditioner. Next thing. The last thing now. Oh, it's so cute and tiny. Like, you don't really know how tiny it is unless if you're in person. It is a lip repairment oil. Alright guys, this is it for this unboxing, and not gonna lie, I have a favorite. It is, well, maybe two. I don't know. It has to be between the mascara and the Bobbi Brown, because I need a new mascara. I also am obsessed with mascaras. And also, this is so cute and so pretty and so tiny. And then this lip repairment. I wear chapstick 24/7. I don't think I needed lip repairment, but I'm going to use it. Then this thing, I can't figure out what it is. Look. I don't know. It smells weird, but it smells good at the same time. This I'm going to use. It's going to be all gone by the end of this. My hair is really thick. Like, if you can't tell, it's also messy. So I'm sure my mom would get use out of this because her hair's thin. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, this unboxing video. I will have one next month. And I'll see you next month with another unboxing video again. So, peace.